stand up on top.
Alright, we're here, go ahead. I'll follow you. Fuck. Don't go too fast! Ah! Hey bro, you got like extra light now. Wait! I don't want to step in this grass. I know. I'm not gonna keep recording.
You what?
I know.
I like how the thing's got like no power.
Off-roaded, yeah! Yeah! Hey, take it in the water! Wait, stop, wait, I'm gonna get on the side. Hey Nick, hold the light while I hold the camera. Hold on, is there somewhere to hang on? Like, hold it out.
You can try to hold there.
Hold it out that way. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh my god.
Hang on tight, we're going over. No.
Do it.
You're gonna wrap on my wheels, dude.
Oh fuck. Hold on, we're coming. Let's go. Go.
Dude, no, this is so
No, this is about to be badass. This is about to be badass.
Dude, that's a creek.
No, it's fine. It's not even that high. Dude, it's just water.
Oh, bullshit. I'm fucking not going in there.
You'll do it. Hey, go over to the.
Oh, wait, no, ditch, dude. Big ass fucking ditch.
You'll make it. You'll make it. Go.
What the fuck is this? No, stop. Right here, you fucking idiot.
Wait, go out there and look. It's got deep.
It's fine, bro. I'm being dead serious.
You did my fucking
Go
car.
slow.
No, it is. It's 2.5 inches top.
No, because when you fucking hit the
I'm being
ground
dead
over there, you're
serious.
gonna sink.
I can see it.
It's concrete. All this is concrete, fool.
You can literally see the middle of it. It's all rock.
Fuck.
Come on, Nick.
Do it.
Yeah, we're gonna get stuck on that code.
Do it. Forward. Woo.
How are we gonna get out?
Oh yeah, get it.
Oh, in case I have to bail, great. In case we fucking sink.
Bro, we're not. This is nothing.
Alright, we're done. Here, go back out, dude. It's turning into algae. There's nowhere to go from here.
Reverse.
I'm gonna sound like such a fucking pussy on this video.
Reverse.
This is my vehicle, by the way. I am a pussy, probably.
Hurry up, my arm's starting to crap up.
Turn. No, like fucking turn around.
Oh, we're getting arrested.
Are you gonna back straight out of you?
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, put it that way.
Get back to you.
Can you light me behind?
Fuck, this thing is bright. This thing is such a beast.
Okay, I gotta piss.